This is lesson 4.1. We are doing understanding integers. Welcome to block 4, by the way, the last block of this book. We are almost done with our second book. We only have one more book after this, and that one's about statistics. We'll get there later. But we're talking about negative numbers. You will have seen from the previous slide the vocabulary words of negative number, positive number, and integer. Integers being the set of all whole numbers and their opposites. What is the opposite of a number? I don't know. I do know, actually. That's what we're doing today. The opposite of a number is the number that is the same number of units from 0, but on the other side of 0. So, if we were looking at 2, well, let's look at it. It says find and graph the opposite of each number. So let's find and graph 2 on our lovely graphs here, on these graphs. These are graphs, by the way. Even if they don't look like coordinate planes, they are graphs. They're number lines. And 2 is right here. Bam. There's 2 right there. I should use a color other than blue, because blue is hard to see on that. Let's use 2 for each. 2, right here. Is right there. Bam. That's 2. So, the opposite of 2 is the number that is the same number of units from 0, but on the opposite side. Well, how many units is 2 from 0? Well, 1, 2. 2 units. So let's go the other direction. 1, 2. Oh! It's negative 2. Cool. So the opposite of negative 2, the opposite of positive 2, is negative 2. That makes sense. Let's look at negative 6. Let's find negative 6 on the number line. Negative 6 is right here. And it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hops, or units from 0 on the number line. So the opposite of a number is just this on the other side. So 6 hops on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here. So the opposite of negative 6 is positive 6. You might be seeing a pattern here. Opposite of negative 3 is right here. Negative 3 is 1, 2, 3 hops, 3 units from 0. Notice that negative 3 is positive 3 units. We don't measure distance in negative numbers. We have 3 steps. Doesn't matter which direction we're taking those steps. The steps are always positive. And on the other side, we're going to go 3 steps on the other way. 1, 2, 3. So, and I'm not quite hitting the exact numbers there, but close enough. 3 is our opposite of negative 3. Bam. And those are the negatives, or the opposites of numbers. You just take that number, you flip it to the other side of the 0, find its mirror image on the other side of the 0. If it's negative, make it positive. If it's positive, make it negative. And that's it.